excited to be here at the JJ Valaya show.
Namaskar and welcome to India TV. I'm Shivangi and today is the finale of India Couture Week. आज का जो शो है वो ग्रैंड से भी ज्यादा ग्रैंड होने वाला है क्योंकि आज का शो है JJ वलाया का। उनके लिए शो स्टॉपर बन रहे हैं इब्राहिम अली खान और साथ ही राशाद अडानिया। तो बता दूं कि थीम है रॉयल्टी मीट्स ट्रेडिशन एंड आई एम श्योर आप भी उनका कलेक्शन देख के एकदम यू विल फील स्पेक्टेकुलर एंड आई वुड से ग्रैंडियोर रॉयल्टी सब कुछ आप फील करने वाले हैं। So I have FDCI Chairman Sunil Sethi with me, sir. Today, grand finale with JJ Valaya.
सत्य बात तो ये है कि मैं जब फैशन इंडस्ट्री में आया तो JJ वलाया का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल था मुझे प्रेसिडेंट बनाने में। तो मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हुई है कि 18वीं एडिशन है और 18 एडिशन में इस बार JJ पहली बार अपनी कलेक्शन दिखा रहा है। बिकॉज मैंने स्नीक पीक करी है, क्योंकि मुझे सेट का पता है, क्योंकि मुझे प्री पार्टी और आफ्टर पार्टी का पता है। तो मैं बता रहा हूँ कि ये धमाका होने वाला है और आगे आगे देखिए क्या होगा।
वेल शो शुरू होता है उससे पहले बात करते हैं JJ वलाया से ही, जो कि 33 इयर्स मार्क करने वाले हैं इस साल, और साथ ही जानेंगे कि इस कलेक्शन के पीछे उनका इंस्पिरेशन क्या था, व्हाट ऑल वेंट बिहाइंड क्रिएटिंग द कलेक्शन फॉर टुडे।
It was coming together of various cultures of the Eastern Hemisphere. It was my journey across the Balkans, then the Far East, and then India. And of course, we translate those thoughts and ideas then into fashion. And perhaps one of the most exciting things is the transformation one sees over the months. So yeah, that's it.
Tell us about Rasha and Ibrahim's look, what went behind?
Well, Ibrahim is already royalty, so that helps because our brand is synonymous with royalty. He's also a great guy. I mean, we had fun. When his father was younger and unmarried, we used to know each other much better, but now I think I haven't met him in a while. But I thought he has that presence, which is required for blue-blooded splendor. Rasha, of course, is like my baby because Raveena, I've been dressing for a long time when she was in her heydays, and now Rasha. So it's literally like and the next generation coming together, and I think it's a very interesting and lovely girl anyway.
It's true that I'm one of a kind, and I'm showing love to me, myself, and I. Hey, so don't blink, cause I might not be here when you wake up from this dream you're living, dear. I'm too good to be true. The way I'm moving got you in a trance. You're lucky if I talk to you. I'm a vibe, yeah.
वेल शो शुरू होता है उससे पहले बात करते हैं कुछ स्टाइलिस्ट से, फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से और साथ ही ज्वेलरी डिजाइनर से, जिन्होंने JJ वलाया के साथ कोलैबोरेट करके आज के शो के लिए ज्वेलरी डिजाइन करी।
JJ is obviously like a great designer, and his designs are always timeless. So I know it's going to be great, but I'm looking forward to it. I think when I talk about JJ Valaya's designs, for me, I think it's about how his designs are really regal and elegant, and they feel very royal, but they're not outdated. So it's something that really shows our Indian heritage and our culture in a very modern way, in a very global sensibility, and I really like that.
I want you now to lift me high, high, higher. I'm sure you'll make me dance up on the seat. And baby, won't you come a little closer? Come on, we're going to fly up on the ceiling.
Just you are designing yourself?
Yeah, like this is my design, but I'm a visual merchandiser and art director by my profession.
So what are you expecting from JJ Valaya today?
See, we know him since my childhood, so I know him like his designs and couture. So excited, but at the same time, this time I'm looking forward for who is gonna walk for them.
Tell us about what you're wearing.
So I'm wearing this salwar from Nicobar, the shirt from Hugo Boss, and the waistcoat is from Versace.
I really like the rules.
Yeah, that brooch I bought it online when I was surfing something from the US website. So yeah.
I want you now to lift me high, high, higher. I'm sure you'll make me dance up on the seat. And baby, won't you come a little
And I'm here to see the executive Indian heritage artmanship, and I think there is very less designer who's been keeping that legacy, and I think JJ Valaya is one of the pioneer, and I'm looking forward to see all these amazing things that he has been doing, and I'm really excited to be a part of this.
I am a content creator on Instagram and I'm also a fashion entrepreneur. He always has these lovely designs, and the way he has paid attention to detail to the Indian craftsmanship, so I'm really excited to see that.
I'm a content creator, and yeah, I love fashion. So I'm wearing this really nice outfit by Monique, and I think I'm wearing these diamond brooch, which I created. The theme of the show is creatively black, so that's what I created. I put 4 earrings of diamond and made a brooch on my blouse.
Come on, baby, dance with me.
Hi, this is Marcia, model and fashion designer, and I'm extremely excited to be here at the JJ Valaya show. I'm sure it's gonna be a great success.
I'm super excited for the show. I think, as I can see from the outside, it's going to be grand since it's the finale. So I've attended a few other shows at the Couture Week, and I think I have the most expectations from JJ. Can't wait. So I am wearing something that's inspired from JJ's style. I have red roses in my hair. So let's see how it goes.
Hi, I'm Jatin Rohila here in Hyundai Couture Week, here for JJ Valaya, and I'm really excited to see the intricacy, the amazing show, and I'm really excited. I'm wearing straight linen outfits like typical heritage Indian style and a loose oversized blazer.
Hi, I'm Reed Sodhi, and I'm here for the Couture Week, and I'm super excited to be here. So I feel like it's the traditional ramp collection, and
I am super excited because he's legendary, as we all know. So yeah, I'm just super excited to see what it's going to be like. According to me, fashion is something you can be comfortable in, and it just makes you feel really confident about yourself.
Where did the love go? Can you tell me, baby? I really need to know, 'cause
Hi everyone, this is Bahar, lawyer, artist, and of course enjoying the fashion world. Seriously is a king of tradition and opulence, and I'm very excited to see the show. For me, fashion is not about trends, it's all about being my authentic self, and I'm not the same person from a Monday to Sunday, and that's why you'll see my look change every day.
tell me we will be together, every day together. So why did it change? Put my heart on a chain. I just can't let you go. Ain't no letting you go. There's no letting you go. No letting you go. Can't let you go. Can we start over again? Can't let you go.
So JJ वलाया के शो में शिवानी ने किया कथक परफॉर्मेंस. बताइए, how was the experience?
It was fabulous. It's always nice to represent my classical dance in such a contemporary, modern and accessible venue. I was very excited. I've been wanting to work with Mr. Valaya for at least 10 years. I did a show which was a charity event 10 years ago, and I actually love him as a designer. I think he's one of our originals. He's one of our most classic designers, and I was looking forward to it. When they told me that the theme was East, and that my piece was to represent something to do with Sufism, तो हमने बुल्ले शाह का एक कलाम उसमें हीर रांझा के ऊपर था, जा उसके ऊपर हमने एक कंटेम्प्रेरी कोरियोग्राफी की. क्लासिकल को 100% हमने नहीं छोड़ा. सारी मुद्राएं, सारा कुछ उसी पे था, पर म्यूज़िक थोड़ा कंटेम्प्रेरी था. तो बहुत मज़ा आया.
Ain't no letting you go.
JJ वलाया के लिए शो स्टॉपर बनी राशा ठरानी ने. आपको बता दूं कि वो इस बार कर रही हैं अपना इंडिया कुटोर वीक में डेब्यू.
Can't let you go. Can we start over?
So आइए डायरेक्टली उनसे बात करते हैं, जानते हैं how is she feeling inside.
2025 has been a year of firsts for me. And bachpan se I've watched my mom wear JJ Valaya, as we all know it. And I have the iconic print, the belt. It's all something I've seen like everyone wear. It's so iconic. And to be able to be here in my first ramp walk, to be wearing JJ Valaya with Hyundai and everyone else involved, it's such, I feel so grateful. And yeah, thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
I really need to know, 'cause I've been losing sleep, I've been getting nowhere, I've been running in circles and
So I have influencer Natasha with me. Natasha, today is JJ Valaya's show and it is the finale of the FDCI India Couture Week. What are you expecting from JJ Valaya today?
I'm expecting elegance. JJ Valaya, I love them. I've been wearing them since so many years, and I love the outfit that I'm wearing. It's from their Breath collection, and I love the fact that they have these print and the belt just adds to it. So I absolutely love it.
Natasha, what is fashion for you?
Fashion for me is feeling confident in whatever I'm wearing.
Did you attend other designers' collection and the shows?
Yeah,
Was there any favorite collection that you loved it?
I absolutely loved Falguni and Shane Peacock. I think their pieces are so elegant, so beautiful. It felt like I was attending a Lake Como party. So it was really beautiful.
I think there's a Bollywood celeb who has the best fashion sense as of now. Do you have any favorite?
Oh my god, I absolutely love Sonam Kapoor. I think her style is phenomenal. The fact that she's representing Dior says a lot.
वेल JJ वलाया का शो आपने देखा, लेकिन फैशन में कपड़ों के साथ साथ एक्सेसरीज भी उतनी ही इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड यहाँ पर ज्वेलरी पार्टनर JJ वलाया के साथ थी अर्चना अग्रवाल. अर्चना, हाउ इट फेल्ट, व्हाट वाज द आइडिया एंड द what all went behind creating jewelry for JJ वलाया?
Actually, me and JJ have come a long time. It's not the first time collaboration or something. It's like I'll say, what an incredible journey we have together. JJ and me, we have been like more than, I have completed 20 years and JJ has completed 33 years. And his, the way he creates his clothes and the workmanship, it goes very well with my jewelry. एक्चुअली उनका जो गोल्ड का काम है वो मेरे जो पोल्की का और पुराना जो दबके का काम आता है. It goes so well. It merges. I mean, the clothes and the jewelry merges with each other so well. I'm so proud to be collaborating with JJ, and I will look forward. And thank you once again, FDCI, for getting us this platform. And I have been collaborating with FDCI since this is my 9th year. So thank you again, Mr. Sethi, for this. And I congratulate the whole team and JJ's team especially.
JJ वलाया के कलेक्शन में हमने देखा ग्रैंड्यूर, रॉयल्टी और ट्रेडिशन का एक ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन. वेल, ये तो इंडिया कुट्योर वीक का फिनाले था, बट डोंट वरी बिकॉज वी विल कीप ब्रिंगिंग यू मोर फैशन, मोर डिजाइनर्स एंड मोर सेलिब्रिटीज. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड विद इंडिया टीवी.